Hello friends and followers. This is a quick video on the Keurig MY K-CUP, which you can make your own coffee with. So what we're going to do now is first of all explore what's in the box of this MY K-CUP. Here is the Keurig maker I'm going to use, and to use this K-CUP, the first thing you want to do is open this up and take out this unit here in the coffee maker. To do that, you put a finger down below, which is going to be down here, and you want to push that cup out. So watch how easy it is. I'm putting my finger down where the coffee comes out. I'm going to hold it here and using this finger here, okay, and push on this and it can fly right out. So there it is. That gets it out, and now you're ready to put in your new Keurig MY K-CUP. Okay, so the other issue is this MY K-CUP comes pre-assembled for a different coffee maker. So there's an older one, I suppose, that has a larger size. So the way this thing comes, it won't fit in here. You have to pull off this retaining clip, and the way you do that is, do you see that little catch in there? You want to put a knife in there and get the catch to release this top part. That's the only way I could figure out how to do it. So let's put the camera down now, and I will show you how that works. So here is the K-CUP, and I have this knife with a sharp end. Be careful with the knife and just put it in here and gently push up on that, and this will come right off. Now you want to take this off like this. So now this is the unit you're concerned about for your coffee maker. So what you want to do now is put the coffee in, and they give you a little strainer here, okay? So fill this thing up to the top with coffee. So put the strainer into this unit here, like that, okay? And get your coffee here, and fill it up to the top with coffee. So that's what we're gonna do here. Put the coffee in like this. Hopefully not spill it and make a mess. Okay, that's enough coffee, I suppose. It's up to the top there. You see that? You could put a little more in there, I suppose. If you like strong coffee, you want to get it right to the top. But for this demo, I won't, because I'll probably spill it. So now is a tricky part, sort of. This lid only goes on a certain way, and it can clip on 3 ways, but 2 of them are wrong. So you want to really then study how this works. And what I found was there's a little white dot here on this adapter, and there is a lock symbol here, and match the white dot with the lock with this white dot on here. Easy, right? So we put this on like this, and we match the unlock lock. See that little lock there? It's unlocked. There's an unlock lock here, and there's the white dot. Put it on like that, push it firmly, and twist it until it's locked, okay? And now check the sides of it and make sure that it's not open, and you're good to go. Okay, now, over here at the coffee maker, and hopefully this video is working correctly, you want to put this guy in, and you look for this little arrow here. See that arrow right there? You want the, let's turn the coffee maker on, darn it. Okay, and you want to put this arrow in here at the very top, so put it in. And this doesn't really snap in, it just kind of sits in here loosely, so if it's loose like this, it's in, and if you can read the writing and the arrow's up, it's right, okay? You can try and put it in like this, or like this, or like this, it's wrong, okay? Even though it might sit like that, it's wrong. You want to get the arrow standing up. This is the correct way to do it. So, arrow standing up, dot to your left, this to your right, you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Close the lid, and it's working normally as you would expect. So I want to find my coffee cup here. Here it is. Bring it over, and now we can say I like strong, and this is my cup size here. So now it's going to start to brew the coffee through the adapter, through the Keurig MY Cup. And this is a great way to go because you can put in really good coffee. It's fresh. And it tastes probably better than the K-Cups in my opinion. I like hazelnut coffee, so I've been using these. And I've been using this stuff. But what tastes the best for me is using this adapter and putting in this fresh hazelnut coffee. I'm really impressed with the taste. So anyway, here we go. We're brewing the coffee. And then I'll show you how to clean this thing up, okay? Because there's a trick to cleaning it. Not that it's real hard, but there's an easy way and a hard way. So make sure you don't make a mess. Not that it's messy. So again, we had to pop out this adapter. And you pop it by pushing the bottom and pushing it right up through the machine. This is the normal adapter that takes the K-Cups, right? So yeah, it takes a while to brew the coffee, as it always does. And it's about done now. It's done. Okay, so we're all done. There's the coffee. Take the coffee away. Turn off your machine. Okay, here's the cup. This is going to be hot. Okay, it's hot. So take it out carefully. It's going to drip too, probably. So I take it over to the sink here. And now you want to clean this thing out. So I'm just going to lay it over here. Or lay it in the sink, actually. And then I have a trash receptacle here. There's the trash right there. So you want to basically, and I'll put the camera down for a minute. You want to take the top of this thing off like this. Just click it until it unlocks. Okay, like that. It's hot. Ouch, be careful. Okay, and then this little pouch contains your coffee. So you want to grab this, and it's hot, and take the top off. And there's the spent coffee right there, okay? And it's hot. It's hotter than hell. So what you want to do now is hold this in your hand over the wastebasket and hold it upside down and hit your hand against the side like this. Now watch this great technique here. Hold it like that and look at that. It's all out and it's in the trash can, right? So you can put this in here and now you can rinse this off. Rinse it from the top down to get all the stuff out. Rinse off this one. Rinse off this one. And put them back by the coffee maker for tomorrow morning. And close your coffee up. Close up your coffee, and that's it. So this is how, again, to make a cup of coffee with the Keurig MY K-CUP. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day and enjoy your coffee.